Welcome everyone. Well, this is the second part of the $100 to $1,000 challenge, and I must say we ended up with a slightly good week. I mean, it's a fairly good week, not just slightly. Ended up with a 2.2% gain. I'm very happy about that. This is of course made on the 25k challenge account, which I bought for only $100 at my funded FX. Now, let me be straight here. I'm not an affiliate to the company. I'm just saying it was a good deal. But anyway, we had an interesting week, and yeah, the Thursday, well, that was quite a challenge. We were up on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Thursday was a red day, but then we managed to recover the losses into a little bit of a green for the Friday close. So let's check the account and some more details. All right, let's see. All right, so this is the account. As you can see, right now the balance is at $25,551. We had this red day on Thursday, went down to 25,416. But so far we are doing quite all right. We have an 8% goal to achieve. I think it's, you know, it's doable. Most of the time I was risking like 1% at maximum for one trade. But no, sorry, not one, not most of the time. Most of the time I was risking 0.5%, and then a few times I was going with 1% per trade, which gave me overall an exposure of a little bit over 2% with commission and everything for the account. So my rule was to stop trading if I reach 3 consecutive losses with an exposure of 3%. So that's a hard stop for me for a day. I almost reached that because I had a day when I went down a little bit more than 2%, and actually I'm not all that satisfied with the results. I mean, it was good, could have been better, but when I had the red day on Thursday, I had to recover by scalping. And you know, if you scalp, then basically your risk reward ratio is not always the best. So we have to count that. And here are the stats from MetaTrader 5. Unfortunately, my funded FX doesn't really show you too much statistical details. So that's a bit of a downside for their dashboard. But as you can see, the account right now, there it is. Well, let me show you some details from MetaTrader. So my problem is basically, actually here it is. Okay, so there you can see that my balance drawdown was actually around 2%, which I managed to recover. That was the worst. But the thing I don't like is that because I was scalping a lot, my average profitable trade went less than half than the average lost trades. Of course, the consecutive winners are double as the losses. Also, the consecutive profit is way more than the losses, so that's a good thing. But still, I say I still have some issues by dealing with losses. I managed to recoup this quite all right, so it was not that bad, but still, trade-wise, I could have done better. I could have done a little bit better on risk management. So far, that's it. I'm looking for the next week. It would be great to add around at least 2% or 1.5 or above 1% profit for the next upcoming week. We are not rushing it because this is we have no time limits basically. So I'm hoping that sooner or later we will reach the goal with this account. Can't wait to pull out the first withdrawal after reaching funded phase, but we still have to work on that. All right, thank you everyone for joining the streams during the week. I'll try to stream all week next week as well, mostly London session, but some New York as well. So subscribe. join the channel. Check out my Patreon at Pip.Ninja because I do need support. I'm trying to do this full time, doing some side hustle as well, but check it out and you know, drop a like. That's all I can say, and hopefully you will drop into the live streams. Thank you very much for watching and looking forward to next week trading. See you guys.